is going on? I'm on my way over to SMG Performance. They're hosting another grand opening to like an extension to their shop, I believe. They're doing like a car show and like a gathering and food, all that kind of stuff. And I don't know how this whole video exactly is going to go, how it's gonna end. There possibly is a few different ways, but if this is your first time watching and you're not subscribed, please do me a favor, hit subscribe, drop a like and a comment. We say those things because they always obviously help us out, but this could go one of a few ways. My buddy Reggie with a Camaro, super awesome guy. He's full bolt on E85, I believe. He might be coming out, and if he is, we may be doing a little Mustang versus Camaro action. So hopefully he shows up. Maybe we can get that done down there in Tijuana across the border. So I'm on my way down there now, and we'll pick this up at the shop. All right, there's way too many Chevys here. That thing's nice though. All right. Got the roommate with me. You got the SMG Raptor. He just put that wrap on not too long ago. That thing, that looks super nice. Super clean. Full-blown race car status. He's got that, that Gap insurance right there. The side exit exhaust. I don't know what size that is, but that is massive. Very nicely done job on this thing. Supra. Came back to check what's on the shop, or back here on the shop on the lift. I don't know what they got done to this thing, but upgraded turbos maybe? It's got the upgraded piping, I'm not sure. Have to ask. I like the carbon fiber accents on this, that looks clean. I like it. These CTSVs are sweet. I love the color, I love the design on these things. Might get a caddy. I don't know. That's a daily. Supercharged. Essentially a Z06 in disguise. Hey, shit boxes, park in the back.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, what's up? What is going on?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good.
It's been a while.
Yeah.
How you been?
Good.
Good.
How are you?
Good. He's got some pizza, so he's good to go. They're doing a raffle over there, and they have like a Nitrous Express bottle.
Yeah.
You can win. It's not the whole kit, but
Start.
I may or may not be going nitrous here on my S550. So if I can win an extra bottle, why not? So we'll see what happens. All right, so this guy pulled up. I had to see what he's rocking right here. A little Turbski. That. Nice.
So I've got the cold air. I did the 2018 intake manifold swap.
Yep.
Blocked the
I know what you're talking about.
yeah, whatever it is.
I'm picking up what you're putting down. I get it. Yeah.
I've got the Kooks. I think it's Kooks long tube headers.
Long tubes?
The 2 inches.
Oh, you want the
big
2 inch?
one. Oh yeah.
Okay.
I've got 3 inch exhaust all the way back.
Okay.
To the RPD. I actually have a lock box on it. And using that, I shredded my clutch.
Oh,
race. But I'm gonna go Pro Charger when I get a chance. But I've got
Get the crank support if you do.
Oh, I'm going to.
Yeah.
That's the only reason I haven't yet.
Yeah.
I've still got suspension work to do.
Yeah.
I gotta replace the transmission.
Okay.
I gotta do all that first. But yeah, no, even now I'm probably pushing 500 to the crank.
Around there. Yeah, you know.
Hey, Ryan. How's that go?
That's clean. GT500 front end. That's nice, brother.
Thank you, man.
All right, everyone, we're picking this up here the next afternoon. So the original plan for today was we're supposed to get together with my buddy Reggie with his Camaro. It's a full bolt-on 85 Camaro, but we're gonna save our little trip to Tijuana for another video. He was just not available to get together today, which is fine. Life happens. So if you're not subscribed, do me a favor, hit subscribe, because when we do that event, it'll be fun. So make sure that you hit subscribe, because you're not going to want to miss that one. But in regards to yesterday's event over at SMG Speed Shop, they're doing a raffle. I was hoping that I could have won the nitrous bottle, so when I go with nitrous, I would have an extra bottle of nitrous. I didn't win the nitrous bottle, but I did win a $500 gift card to SMG Speed Shop, so I could go in there and purchase anything and get $500 off, or just a total of $500 towards anything that's available, which is pretty much anything that I would need here for the car, which might be some new front tires on the car and maybe a catch can. So we will see in regards to that. But what we're doing today is I also picked up, let me show you here, I picked up some side markers, another item I won on the raffle. Yesterday, it's another raffle that I won. Where are they? They're right here. So I haven't had a chance to look at them yet. Okay, so yeah, another raffle I got some LED smoked out side markers. So I'm gonna throw these on. Those are gonna look a lot better than the factory ones, for sure. We got driver and passenger side, so we're gonna throw those on here just in a second. But then James is on his way over here. We did a video of his car and my car back in our GT500 days with my 2012, his 2008, I think he had. We put our cars on a weigh scale. We're gonna do that here with our cars also as well, to see the weight difference between a premium and a performance pack. I know the performance packs are a little bit heavier because of all the extra suspension components and all that crap. We're gonna see what the weight difference is between my premium and his performance pack. So we're gonna slap those LED side markers on. When he shows up, we're gonna go down to the scale and see what the difference is between his car and mine. Alright, so the car is just a little bit low to get underneath the car to unclip the side markers from the inside so I could pop them out. So let's put them on those ramps, and I'll climb under there and see if I can get those things unclipped. Alright, so James is here. He's gonna try to get his man hands underneath there because I can't get good leverage to unclip that damn thing. So we're gonna do the passenger side. Alright, James just made it look like super easy, so you got it. I'm always afraid of like snapping the fucking plastic. So all you did is you just pushed it out.
I just pushed right here.
Yeah, see?
Because, well, it kind of sits in there like that, so
and
you
just
got
pushed.
to give it a little bit of a push.
Little yank, yeah. Well, I'm always paranoid about snapping the little plastic piece, but alright, peel the plastic off. There you go. Good job. Alright, those are so much better than the factories. We're gonna get that clipped in, but you just got a small little bulb and they just turned off because I shut the door. But as you can see, free simple upgrade. I think the car should have came something like with that from the factory, because the factory ones just look like ass. That looks way better. Okay, I want to do a comparison. That's the LED ones we just put in. See? Looks good. And then the ones we just took out compared to James's car, you got just like a little bulb. It doesn't even light up the whole thing. So pretty cheap mod. Doesn't cost a lot, but I think the car should come with that from the factory, I think, because it just looks so much better. All right, so as I said a little bit earlier, we're on our way down to a weigh station that we've been to before. We just want to see what the actual weight difference is between a performance pack and a premium I'm gonna say he's about his car with us out of the car, the gas jugs, all of us out of the car. I'm gonna say his car is at least 100 pounds heavier. I'm not really 100% sure, but I'm gonna say right around 100. The guy behind me wasn't gonna let me over. You're an a-hole. Gave this guy enough time behind me to like let me over, had blinker on and everything. He was trying to speed up, didn't want me to merge over, so I got in front of him and I just kind of, I may or may not have cut him off, but he deserved it. Pull it on scale and he said to hit the button and he'll get a number for us. Alright, so she took my weight, and then James, if you want to pull up and I'll pull up here and we can get your weight. Did you have anything in your car you wanted to pull out first?
Yeah.
Alright, just put it over there by my jugs and hey, just walk with him, okay? It is a lot busier here today than it was last time we were here, which was like 2 years ago, but a lot more trucks here today than there was last time, so it's a lot more of a clusterfuck right now. So they got my weight. We had to go back in and they tell us what the weight of our cars were, so we go take our weight, they put a number down for us, and then we'll find out what we each weigh. He's gonna be a lot heavier than me. That's good right there. Good. All right, so she just took his weight. We'll go back over to the actual part inside the gas station. We'll grab, it's like a pink slip, and we'll see what our gross vehicle weight is. So, come on, bub. Okay, we're doing this in the car because it's hot and humid outside and it's just easier to hear us. So we both got our slips. We haven't looked at them yet. So what do you guess? Okay, so to make this fair, we both had a complete full tank of gas. We both had full gas, so like one person, it wasn't half tank or on empty. To make it as close as possible, we both had full tank. So what would you guess yours is before you look? I'm gonna say 3950.
Yeah.
My guess.
I'll go 3,900.
39 flat. I'm gonna say 3950. So let's look at yours first. See what it says. Where's it at? Oh, look at that!
On the money, dude.
Did you cheat? Did you cheat and look beforehand? Okay, you lying sack of shit.
She handed it to me.
Okay, that's why, you liar. Okay, mine. I'm gonna say.
I gazed it.
I'm gonna say 38 and a quarter to 38 and a half with mine because I know I weigh less. But let's just see how much. So we are. Oh yeah, 38.40. So 60 pounds less than his car. I said I was probably gonna be about 100. I thought maybe I was a little higher than what I probably should have guessed, a little bit less than that, but both had full tanks of gas. I'm 38.40 with us not in the car, and he is 3,900 on the dot. Heavy. Those are heavy cars. Yeah, so good to know if anybody was interested and you're trying to like shop for whichever car, you're curious what they weigh. The premiums weigh about 60 pounds less than the performance packs. I thought they would have weighed more, but it's not too much more. You got all this extra suspension components. It's a beefier K-member, right?
K-member, heavier radiator.
Heavier radiator. The wheels probably weigh more too.
The wheels.
Yeah.
The brake system.
It's got bigger brakes because yours are what, 6 pistons?
Yeah.
I got the 4-piston. I think his rear brakes are a little bit bigger than mine too as well. So all that extra weights, gas tanks are the same, so it's not extra with that. You have a front strut tower bar, right?
Yeah.
From the factory. I don't have one. So all those components add up about 60 pounds.
The wheels bigger?
Yeah.
Or they're wider.
They're wider, they're larger, so therefore they're probably going to weigh a little bit more. So if anyone's interested, premiums with a full tank of gas, you're looking at $38.40 versus $39 for a performance pack. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this one out. So thanks again to Jeremy and the guys over there at SMG Speed Shop for putting on the event. $500 raffle. I won the LED lights that I just threw on the car. Like I said, those should have came from the factory because they look so much better than what they come with originally. Premiums weigh about 50 to 60 pounds less. So in case anybody was wondering on that. So in regards to my buddy Reggie and the Camaro, we were going to get together to go down to Tijuana. As I said, he wasn't available, but if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit subscribe. We will link up with him soon and do a Mustang versus Camaro. So if you guys haven't, hit subscribe, drop a like and a comment, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.